In our last video, we explored the nervous system, learning how it sends lightning-fast messages through neurons. But there's another way your body communicates, a slower yet equally vital system. This is the endocrine system, and today's video will learn more about this system, starting with the glands that make it all possible. Glands are like tiny factories inside our body that make chemical messengers. They come in two types. Exocrine gland, which release chemicals through duct, affecting nearby areas. For instance, the salivary gland produces saliva and sends it directly to your mouth through the salivary duct. Other exocrine glands include sweat gland, digestive gland, sebaceous gland, and others. They all deliver chemicals through duct. Endocrine glands, on the other hand, have no ducts. They release the chemical called hormones directly into the bloodstream. The blood carries this hormone to their target organs where they trigger specific changes. Though produced in tiny amount, hormones have massive effect, regulating growth, mood, sleep cycle, reproduction, and more. Now let's meet some key endocrine glands. First up, the hypothalamus. This small region in the brain links the nervous system and endocrine system. The hypothalamus monitors the body's internal conditions like temperature, hunger, stress, and more, and sends signals to the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland then releases hormones that command other endocrine glands like the thyroid, adrenal glands, or gonads to produce or stop producing their own hormones. Next, we have the pituitary gland. It is a pea-sized gland located just below the hypothalamus. As mentioned earlier, it works closely with the hypothalamus to regulate hormone production throughout the body. Because it controls several other endocrine glands, it is often referred to as the master gland. One of its key functions is to regulate growth by releasing growth hormone. If too little growth hormone is released during childhood, it can lead to dwarfism. If too much growth hormone is produced, it can result in gigantism. Therefore, maintaining the right balance of growth hormone during childhood is essential for normal physical development. Next, we move on to the thyroid gland, a butterfly-shaped gland located at the front of the neck. It releases thyroxine. Thyroxine regulates metabolism by controlling how our body breaks down and uses nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Next, we have adrenal gland. They are triangular-shaped glands located on top of its kidney. They produce several important hormones, including aldosterone, which help maintain the salt and water balance in the blood. During times of stress, the gland also releases adrenaline or epinephrine, which increases heart rate and breathing rate, and directs more blood to the muscles, preparing the body for fight or flight response. Moving further down, we come to pancreas, which is located behind the stomach. It releases hormones such as insulin, which helps cells to absorb sugar from the blood. When sugar levels are low, the pancreas produces glucagon, which breaks down stored glycogen into glucose to raise the blood sugar level. Last on our list, we have the gonads. In female, the ovaries produce estrogen and progesterone, while in male, the testes produce testosterone. These hormones are responsible for the changes that occur during puberty. Now that we have explored the major glands of the endocrine system, let us understand how to keep them healthy. Eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Exercise regularly to maintain hormonal balance. Get enough sleep as rest is essential for proper hormone production. Manage stress levels as prolonged stress can affect glands like adrenal and thyroid. By taking simple steps like this to care for our endocrine system, we can support a healthier and more balanced life. Thanks for watching.